Hokie dokie. Second example for this problem, I'll work it out a bit faster. If you'd like more of a breakdown, visit the first example I've worked out. All right, so we're plugging and chugging options A, B, and C into the equation here to see which one gives us the greatest dy over dt value. So we have dy over dt, in this case, equal to a squared times b squared, which in option A's case is 3 squared times 9 squared times the square root of y, which is the square root of 6, all divided by c, which is 5. Let's plug this into Desmos right away and see what we get. 3 squared times 9 squared times the square root of 6, all divided by 5. All right, that gives us 357, and I will just leave it as a whole number. My hope is that when we calculate B and C's dy over dt values, that, it won't come down to the decimal. So a squared times b squared in option B's case is 1 squared times 6 squared times the square root of y, or square root of 9, all divided by c, which is 5. We may be able to work this out by hand, maybe. We have 1 squared is 1, 6 squared is 36, and then square root of 9 is 3, so we have 36 times 3, which 108. 108 over 5. Can't tell you what that decimal is, but I will say we could probably do it by hand and say it's not larger than 357, so it does not matter, but let's go ahead and do this. We get 21.6. All right, we have 357. We have 21.6. Let's go ahead and work out the last one. dy over dt equals a squared times b squared, or 3 squared times 7 squared times the square root of 4, or the square root of y, all divided by c, which is 5. Let's break out Desmos for this one. 3 squared, 7 squared, square root of 4, all divided by, what was it, 5? Yeah, all of them have been 5. 176.4, but I'll just say 176. Hokie dokie. We have our 3 contenders, of which the largest must be option A's values. So break out the eraser and we see that A is in fact our answer, since it gave us the largest dy over dt value.